Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sir YouTube channel. I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on bell icon to receive new videos through notification. Everyone, no matter whether they are a fresher or experienced, have at some point become familiar with JavaScript libraries around their time in work. These frameworks became popular because they reduce the time complexity by reducing lengthy scripts into libraries where they can be reused by just calling a function or adding a class. So in this video, you will know the best JavaScript libraries. You cannot live without them for making dynamic websites. According to me, the following are the powerful libraries for making dynamic websites. The first one is Multiple.JS. This library is used to create unique background visuals. You can use this JavaScript CSS library to share background images across your website, thereby creating a unique visual effect. The second one is Math.js. This math library comes with extensive functionalities like expression parser and also allows the developer to work on units, function, fractions, matrices, and other critical mathematical functions. The third one is Anime.js. Animations always have been a key factor in enhancing the user experience of a website. With the use of Flash slowly declining, it's time to move on a JavaScript CSS libraries. Anime.js is very flexible and allows you to add motion or transform the elements in your application. The fourth one is Bideo.js. Nowadays, many people are preparing full screen videos instead of static images as background. You can find one in a login page of Body Space, a popular fitness app. Bideo.js is the answer to your solution. It enables you to add responsive full screen videos as your page background with very little coding. The last one is chart.js. This is a quite useful JavaScript CSS library that allows the user to add unique and well-designed charts on their website. It offers a lot of templates with the ability to utilize the white space and mix them in a well-balanced manner. So that's all about some of the top 5 JavaScript libraries for making dynamic websites. So thank you for visit. Have a nice day.